Welcome back, Instagram enthusiasts. If you want to customize your Instagram experience, we have great news for you. In this tutorial, step by step, we'll guide you through the process of enabling dark mode on Instagram. Dark mode not only provides an elegant look but can also reduce eye strain, especially during nighttime hours. Whether you're a new user or an Instagram expert looking for new tricks, follow our simple instructions and enjoy the dark mode while browsing through your favorite photos and stories. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram application. Click on your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Select the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down and click on the Accessibility option. Now, tap on the second option, Dark Mode. Click on On. You have now set your Instagram account to dark mode. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.